All right, so what we're gonna look at next is this new Glock trigger. This is the Trigger Tech Ace trigger system. Now, Trigger Tech put this trigger out and they did it so that they could make a Glock feel like a 1911 or feel like a 2011. And the trigger is amazing. The challenge was I had the trigger a few days when I realized it wasn't passing a drop test. And it wasn't passing a drop test like this. So you have 2011s out there that don't pass the drop test down barrel. Okay, that's one thing. A gun going off pointed up is gonna hurt somebody pretty bad. So I had some concerns. I reached out to Trigger Tech and they were kind enough to send me these two. I've got two of these that are pre-production of the new trigger shoe they're replacing it with. Now Trigger Tech has said anybody who has this trigger, they'll replace it at no charge with one of these. They'll also do you a refund if that's what you prefer. So I'm good on Trigger Tech. SIG, that's how it's done, by the way. That's how that works.
You leave SIG alone.
Hey, well, I love SIG too, but damn it, they did that wrong. So on this trigger, what they did is that it comes back, it's got a solid wall, and it's the smoothest Glock trigger I've ever felt.
Now I have to go buy a Glock. So check out the trigger so we can see. So it's kind of like that leaf spring trigger where you have the little pin sticking out, but it's just barely right in there. So typically you have it where it's sticking out and you're pushing it with your finger. This one, it's just like built right in there. So that is super cool. I really like that.
It also has some adjustment inside. So all you have to do is pull the slide and it's got a dial with an Allen wrench. You can turn that pull weight all the way down to 2.5 pounds, all the way up to 6.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Nice. And how much do they run?
I think that trigger's running right at 275, I think.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
That is a really good price. Wow. All right, Danny, thanks. Super cool. And what's the trigger called again?
The Trigger Tech Ace trigger system.
Trigger Tech Ace trigger system. Nice.